Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all in my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Milestone College, Uttara. I hope all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, let's start the class.
My dear students, today I am going to discuss Finance, Banking and Insurance, second paper. Chapter 2, Central Bank. This is the lecture number 2 in these chapters. Today's topics: the functions of central bank. Dear students, today I will discuss the functions of central bank. Functions of central bank. Dear students, all of you know that a central bank is a financial institution that is responsible for overseeing the monetary system and policy of a nation or group of nations, regulating its money supply and setting interest rates. Central banks play a crucial role in ensuring economic and financial stability. They conduct monetary policy to achieve low and stable inflations. Functions of central bank. Central banks differ from country to country in their structure and organizations, in their policies and techniques, but their functions are very similar. The central bank renders the following important functions in almost all countries. First one, general functions of central bank. Second one, functions as government bank. Third, functions as banker of others bank. And others functions, that means development functions of central bank. Dear students, let's see the general functions of central bank. The general functions of central bank is very important functions and daily functions of central banks. The functions include issues of currency. The Central Bank of Bangladesh has the monopoly of issuing notes or paper currency to the public. Every central bank all over the world is the vital role of issuing currency. Only the central bank right to issue currencies in every country. According to Vera Smith, the primary definition of central banking is a banking system in which a single bank has either complete control or residuary monopoly of note issue. Regulator of currency. In some countries, the almost of gold and foreign securities bears a fixed proportion between 25 to 40% of total notes issued. The central bank is required by law to keep a certain amount of gold and foreign securities against the issues of notes. Now, stability of value of money. The central bank has the duty of keeping both internal and external value of the country's currency through various monetary and exchange control measures. As the guardian of money market, central bank acts as the guardian of country's money market as the director and controller of money market. Dear students, all of you know that money market is the short-term basis market where an investor or a buyer or borrower invested or borrow for short-term basis for 1 year, not more than 1 year. Money markets members is commercial bank, money exchange, etc. It also controls the money currency, controls credit stability in money supply and an exchange rate of foreign currency, etc. It establishes a country's well-organized and developed money market. Custodian of foreign exchange reserves. An important function of the central bank is to manage and control the foreign exchange reserves. Maintenance of foreign exchange rates. Central bank tries to stabilize the exchange rate by selling and buying gold, foreign securities. Controller of credit. WHO defines a central bank as a bank which controls credit. The most important function of central bank is to control the credit creation by commercial bank by increasing interest rate or decreasing interest rates, or deposits of commercial bank increasing or decreasing for credit control. Quantitative as well as qualitative instruments are used to control the volume of credit in the economy. Dear students, today I discussed only the general functions of commercial. Dear students, today I discussed only the general function of central banks. My next class, I will discuss the functions of central banks, functions as government bank, functions as banker of others bank, and others functions. Dear students, till then, Allah Hafiz.